Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to knock up a dead quick, perfect meal for those midweek chaos nights where you just need to get some decent healthy food on the table, quick, smart. So to make this sheet pan meal, we're going to be using Alaska salmon. This is sockeye salmon. This is wild. That's why it's this glorious colour. This is how salmon meat should look. So there's no veins of white marbling in it that you get from farmed salmon, which is the salmon that we really want to be avoiding. Now this meal really couldn't be simpler to throw together. Simply pop some veggies onto a baking sheet. Now I'm using fresh asparagus and some lovely crunchy sugarsnap peas, but you could use any veggies really. Why not try peppers, broccoli or pak choi? If you're using root veggies, then you'll need to cook them through a little bit first before you add the Alaska salmon. Drizzle with a little oil and then massage the oil into your vegetables. Season with black pepper and a nice crunchy sea salt, then pop the salmon fillets on top and slide into the oven. Whilst the salmon and asparagus cooks, it's time to make your dressing. Now, this sauce will blow your mind for sure. It's Asian inspired and so full of flavour. So in a small bowl, mix together the sesame oil, soy sauce and rice wine vinegar, and then when your fish is cooked, you're simply going to spoon it all over the salmon and the veggies. Top with spring onion, with chilli slices and chopped coriander if you fancy. Add a couple of wedges of lime and dinner is served. Now, wild Alaska salmon is a really healthy choice of protein for your weekly meals. Not only is it packed with top quality protein, but it's also bursting with a range of vitamins and minerals, and it contains those all-important healthy fats. And did you know that salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids? Add the fact that it's so quick and easy to cook, and well, you've got yourself a winner. Okay, let's dive in. Oh yeah. It's very flaky, it's very moist. Boom. That is full of flavour. Huge thanks to Alaska Seafood for inspiring this entire feast. If you want to grab the recipe, then pop down to the description box below, and whilst you're there, you can find out all about Alaska Seafood too. Take care, friends, and I'll catch you in the next video. That is good.